Hi, my name is Trevor Ballantyne and I'm the General Manager for Motor Trades Care. I love working with Sentis. I've been working with Sentis for several years now. I love the work that they do. I love their approach to psychological safety. And I find that their products and services and their materials are of great value to any organisation that is looking to enhance their safety leadership capability. The blended learning approach was important to us because we identified that lots of businesses in the automotive sector are quite small. For many of them, it's difficult to get people out or allow people out of the operational space for lengthy periods of time. So we thought that the best way to do this was a blended approach where we provided some self-paced approach to learning content or materials, and then reinforce those messages through online webinar sessions to help people understand the key points or the key concepts that they were learning about. We were able to really create something that was bespoke and unique and really a first for the automotive industry in terms of a training and education program that really enhanced and uplifted safety leadership for the industry sector. The train the trainer sessions are fundamental and critical to executing and delivering these types of education programs. It was important that my consultants had the opportunity to sit down with one of the very experienced trainers at Sentis, who then took them through the process of how to best deliver the messaging and the training program. The learning management system technology that Sentis made available to us is fantastic. The feedback is generally that it's easy to use. They think it's quite simple, straightforward, the information is very clearly set out, and they generally have a really great experience with that system. It's very convenient from an operational perspective. Giving people the opportunity to do the online modules that are self-paced in their own time when it's most convenient for them really supports that operational efficiencies, as well as the webinars, which are also online and makes it easy for people to dial in while they're in the workplace, complete their webinar sessions, and then get back on the tools as quickly as possible. So it's a really great outcome for us as a service offering, and obviously supports the industry from that operational impact perspective. The feedback from participants has been overwhelmingly positive for us. The large majority of our customers that complete our feedback surveys, more than 60% of them say that the program itself and the way we facilitate it and the platform that they use is above average compared to what they've experienced in similar type of safety leadership training programs in the past. There's lots of great stories that we get from our customers and our participants in the program. Overwhelming majority of people tell us that they've learned new concepts at every stage of that program. A large percentage of them tell us that before they even get to the end of the program, that they're already starting to practice having better and more key conversations with people in the workplace. We place a tremendous amount of value on our partnership with Sentis. We couldn't have achieved these great results in terms of enhancing safety leadership capability in the industry without collaborating and working with them. So we look forward to a very long and successful partnership well into the future.